everyone, I am Pragati from Actrospark, and in this video I will show you how to make an DIY heatsink for Raspberry Pi or any components you want. And this works very well, and the comparison is also in the video. And let's move on. For this heatsink you might need a Raspberry Pi and toothpaste which can be like Colgate, and I will recommend you not to use gel or glitter. And a scissor, two earbuds, and a tissue, and then aluminum, which is you can use as a soda can. First, you need to cut the soda can, which is aluminum, to the correct size of the CPU in the Raspberry Pi OS, which is this. And this is a Raspberry Pi 2. And now I will cut it. Now I have cut the aluminum sheet and polished it, and it will be like this. And I recommend you to not to use a dirty one. After that, take the toothpaste and put it in the tissue like this. Then take the earbud and put some toothpaste in it and spread around the CPU like this. Then and use a little bit of toothpaste so it cannot throttle, and it will look like this, like this. Then you might have some toothpaste in your hand and you can use it to wipe it. After you did this, put the aluminum sheet after it. Then it might stick to it. Like this, you can make your own DIY thermal sheet, means heatsink. Now let's compare the performance between an Raspberry Pi with an heatsink and a Raspberry Pi without an heatsink. Now let's compare it. Now this is the Raspberry Pi without the heatsink. Now let's check the temperature first. And in the terminal there is a code to measure the temperature. If I click enter, it will show me the temperature. Now currently it's 46.5 Celsius. Now let's open some graphics, which is Chrome, and it might be heat up. I think it will open. Now let's check the temperature. Yeah. Now let's check the temperature, and the mouse quality has been dropped because of the CPU. Now I will close this and I will open the terminal. And now let's check the temperature now. Now it's 43.9, 44.4. Let's open some more Chromium and see. Chromium. Now I have opened so much Chrome, and let's see the temperature now. And VCG. Let's open some more first. And the quality is pure because we opened so much Chrome. Now let's check the temperature now. And it's 49 now because we opened so much Chrome. 47, and it decreases. 47.6 and like this. Now let's add the thermal to it. Now let's compare the heatsink. So let's see the temperature first. So VCG Gen CMD measure temperature and it's 38.5, a huge difference. Now let's open some Chromes. Internet, Chrome, Chrome. And you want to give a little support to the heatsink because it can fall down. And yeah, now let's see the temperature. Let's see the temperature. So ECG in, VCG and CMD measure temperature, measure temp, and now it's 40 degrees Celsius, and this is a huge achievement and it's smooth now. Now let's open some more rooms. Open some more. Last chrome, and this is a final chrome because it's enough. Now let's see the degrees. Terminal and BCG and CMD measure. Shift this temp, and it's 41 degrees after opening this scope, and it's a big achievement. And here is how the heatsink works, and you need to give it a little support because it can open up, so you can use tape for it, and it's working. I hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can receive my future videos. And also check my Raspberry Pi videos in the playlist. And thank you.